One question I always get asked is how easy it is to transplant in a hydroponic or aquaponic system where you are using a media bed. Remember, this plant is just sitting here in this gravel, so it's not tightly bound as if it was in the soil. Perlite, I've done it in perlite because it's that white loose material. I've never done it in this kind of material. So let's try it today. So I'm going really deep, trying not to destroy any roots, but looks like I already did destroy some roots here. See that? Those are roots that were destroyed. Maybe a trowel or something bigger to dig as deep as possible. And I'm gonna move it from what I call depth 3 to depth 1, this system. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it here and cover it, and then we'll have a follow-up in a few days. If it's gonna die, it will wilt in the next couple of days and will continue to stay wilted and never recover. So 2 to 3 days is my gauge that if it's gonna make it or not. Okay, so I moved it from there to here, and we'll do a follow-up video. Can you tell which plant was the original and which plant was transplanted here? This was moved here from that system over there, and I see the previous video. Okay, I mean, this is just transplanting like you transplant in the garden. You take enough, you're careful, you take enough root and then you move it, it's no problem. Even if it's much bigger, which is something that you cannot do in the field. This plant could be fruiting and flowering. If I take enough gravel with it, I can transplant it to a new location. So here are my dwarf tomatoes. Let's see if we can get some yield from them.